The biggest problem in filming is poor lighting. So, I decided to build my own 80W professional photography light. The materials I prepared are very common and can basically all be purchased online. They include an 80W LED chip, a heat sink, a battery pack, a DC speed controller, and more. Guess how much these cost? I'll reveal the answer at the end. I designed its casing on my iPad and brought it to life using 3D printing. The process is really simple. If you know some basic soldering and wiring, you can finish it in just 15 minutes. Let me break it down step by step. Lights up easily. Let's check the results. Without the light, the footage looks dark. But with this DIY light, brightness instantly improves, soft and professional. And with a battery, you can use it outdoors anytime, anywhere. Supports 848V lithium battery power, and you can also use other power sources that support over 80W. This is shown without a light shield since I haven't made one yet. Adding a shield should improve the effect, so stay tuned. Adjustable brightness allows for more creative possibilities in your shots. This DIY light costs less than $10, but the effect is close to professional gear. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.